Life is filled with ups and downs. You never know what may be around the corner. We decided to go roller hooping as Venice Beach reopens due to the COVID-19 outbreak. In the spirit of Be Kind, we prepared care packages with marshmallows, roses, and handwritten letters to give out as random acts of kindness.
I will. Appreciate it. Tons of rescues, tons of EMS calls. Pretty active. People are really excited to get back to the beach.
Thank you for watching this mini film shot entirely on the Insta360 ONE R right here in one day, handheld action camera style. I know you're probably sick of watching Insta360 ONE R reviews by now. Everyone and their dogs reviewed this camera. But you don't see any good original content created with this camera until hopefully now. As a cinematographer, I know how you feel. The reason why GoPro is still the most popular action camera is because creators like you and me are using it to create content, not just camera reviews. By the way, this is actually a brand collab project for a real client. Now you know you can create so many music video effects with this camera, like the tiny world, fake gimbal with just my hand.
Nice, Hugh with his homemade gimbal / arm.
Well, you said I can't use a big camera.
When you can't afford a gimbal, use the old school arm.
Popular travel vlog style masking transition, Dolly zoom plus masking transition, and that very unique over the head transition. Well, with a modification into my style, which I already used in a couple of my music videos. I think the end results speak louder than any reviews out there. What do you think? Comment below and let me know. I will start a brand new tutorial series focused on the Insta360 ONE R 1-inch LEICA and the 360 mod, so you know how to create the same effects and edit exactly. This mini film is completely shot on the Insta360 ONE R log mode, so I can do extreme color grading to make my film look like shot on something very expensive. To kick off this tutorial series, I will provide my technical LUTs for Insta360 ONE R 1-inch edition. It looks different than the official LUT that will give you a good starting point to build your own look. Let's be honest, Insta360 footage does look washed out and ugly without any color grade. We will adjust that in this series. By the end of all these tutorials, you will become a master of this camera and shoot with confidence. And that is what I hope. To support this series, I need your likes and share of this video. If you have not already, please subscribe to us and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. We work really hard to give you the best 360 content and you don't want to miss out. If you got the ONE R and ready to learn, comment below and let me know what interests you. What you use this camera for? Is this for music video like me, motorsports, underwater, travel vlog, FPV in 360 like me? Well, I will talk to you in the comment section down below. Ciao!